Good morning and welcome back to another almost daily vlog. Today I just priming some project for my two friends. First of all is a chaos diorama for Emanuele, and the second project is for Gabriele, my another friend. I just assembled Kharadron Overlords Spearhead, and I want to show you. 2 days ago I assembled with XPS foam this diorama. Is a chaos waste with a chaos symbols. You see Zans, Nergol, yes. I create a slot for the miniatures that I assemble. See? Hey, little friend. And the last one. I leave this slot for another miniatures because my friends have just ordered another one. I don't know why. Okay, and the second project is the Kharadron Overlord for my friend Gabriele. Let's show you. This morning I just priming with a black primer. The primer is Ristaff World Primer Black. It's a perfect to cover the miniatures. It's a cool black. And here is a big Argonaut, remember the name. And here another miniature. The boss is here. Okay, now it's time to relax because it's Sunday, and see you soon for another almost daily vlog. See you soon for another update. Bye.